So welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on Start Lab. And if you're new to this channel, do like the video and just subscribe the channel. Fill this captcha if you're getting it. And then to enable the check my progress bar, just click on this yellow button. Okay, the video description, you have to just find it and wait for the lab. So finally, the lab has started. Now wait for the ID to get loaded. After that, we have to simply create a new file. Okay, so the new file which we have to create, first of all, click on this file option, click on this new file, and in the description box, I've shared this repository. Come over here, select entire content from there, and just paste over here. Once you have pasted, let me just check. We have to update the project ID and location. From here, just copy the project ID, carefully replace it. Okay, carefully replace it, and similarly do with the region also. So just update the region. Let me just update the region. So once you have done all these things, now you have to simply save it. For the file name, which file name? This is our in task number 4. This is our file name. Okay. Now just enter the file name over here and just save it. Once you have saved it, we have to run it. A play button will be shown over here. Okay. So just wait for the play button to come. If it is not showing, you can just click on run and start debugging. It will just run it directly. Now wait for it to get started and it will be running. Okay, so do not worry about this error. Just rerun again. So you can see it started doing its task and it will complete. We will check the score. It takes time to update the score, so simply wait for it. Do not worry about this error. It's temporary. So chances are there you may face some kind of error like you won't be able to get the score instantly. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes and check the score again. You'll surely get the score. So this is the way we completed the lab. Do like the video and subscribe the channel.